In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Gmail app. We're going to turn the Gmail website into a desktop app using your browser's built-in install feature. This gives Gmail its own window and icon, so it feels more like a traditional app and less like a tab lost among many. First, open a web browser on your PC. This process works best in Google Chrome or another Chromium-based browser. If possible, make sure your browser is up to date so the install option appears exactly where we expect it. Next, go to the Gmail website by typing mail.google.com into the address bar and pressing Enter. Give the page a moment to load. If you're already signed in, you'll see your inbox. If not, the site may prompt you to sign in before continuing. Either way, just let the page fully load so the browser recognizes it as an installable site. Now, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is the main menu for your browser, and it's where we'll find the option to install Gmail as an app. When the menu opens, move your mouse to hover over the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. It's a small sub-menu grouping that contains tools for sending and saving content. While hovering there, you should see an option that says Install as App. Go ahead and click that. Depending on your browser version, it may also read Install Gmail or Install Page as an App. They're the same action, and selecting it tells your browser to create a standalone app experience for Gmail. A confirmation window will appear asking if you want to install. Click Install to confirm. There's no separate download required here. The browser quickly packages the site into an app-like window with its own icon and title. This keeps your email a click away and free from the distractions of the regular browser interface. Wait for the installation to finish. It usually takes just a moment. When it's done, Gmail will open in its own dedicated window without the standard address bar. You'll also notice that your system adds a shortcut so you can open Gmail directly next time without visiting the website first. That's all there is to it. If you don't see the install option, double-check that you're on mail.google.com and that your browser is current. With this quick setup, you now have Gmail running as a clean, focused app on your PC, ready whenever you are. Thanks for watching and enjoy the streamlined email experience.